What's good YouTube, JD here, back with yet another review for you guys, and in this video we will be talking about one of the most interesting looking colorways we've seen from the Jordan 1. In my hands today I have the Jordan 1 Tokyo Biohack. What up fam? So in this video I'm gonna break down this sneaker, talk about the inspiration behind the colorway. We'll get into the quality of these materials as well as all these crazy colors that you see on the shoe. Of course we'll touch on resale predictions, and as always I will be giving you guys that on-feet look, so make sure you stick around until the end of the video. So the official name of this shoe is the Tokyo Biohack, and the reason for that is because, well, at least the storyline behind the shoe is that it was inspired by the city of Tokyo, or at least that's what Jordan Brand is saying. However, most sneakerheads will tell you that there has been a similar colorway like this in the past, and that was on the Nike Dunk High Undefeated. That pair released in 2005, and you can clearly see the resemblance between that pair and this one. The color blocking isn't identical, of course. There are some similarities like the light blue toe box, the black side panels, as well as the brown panels on the shoe. So while it's not an exact one-for-one colorway, you can definitely tell the inspiration was clearly from that pair. And this is not the first Jordan 1 we've seen this year that has been inspired by iconic dunk models. The recently released Jordan 1 Zen Green, that was also inspired by the Nike Dunk High in the Brute colorway. There's rumors that next year the Jordan 1 Supremes are coming out, and that was obviously a direct inspiration from the Supreme Dunks. So of course, Jordan Brand may be running out of ideas right now. They're taking inspiration pretty much directly from Dunks. Dunk Highs and Jordan 1s, definitely a very similar shoe in terms of silhouette. Personally, I don't really care where the inspiration of this dunk came from, because in my opinion, this is an absolutely fire colorway on the Jordan 1. It also released at the perfect time. We're getting into the fall season right now, and this is definitely a nice fall colorway. Let's get into the colors. On the ankle strap, you see the Baroque brown color, as well as on the heel of the shoe. The side panel, we have this nice black color, and then as we move into the toe box area, the front mudguard is done in this rather rich navy tone, and then on the toe box we have this kind of turquoise blue. The tongue of this sneaker is done in this bright orange. The ankle liner of the shoe is done in this hyper pink color, and finally the midsole is done in this lime green color. And that lime green midsole is probably the only one that I kind of have a problem with. I wish that it was done in white instead. I feel like a white would have really brought all the colors on the upper together quite nicely. But I understand where the green is coming from, because the Undefeated pair also had this similar lime green color on the midsole. Oh, and also the swoosh is done in this nice metallic silver. The ankle flaps on the shoe are loose, which is unlike most Jordan 1s, and that is of course clearly another inspiration from the Dunk Highs. I gotta say, one thing I'm really impressed with this sneaker is the quality of the suede, and it's done in an all over suede material. The quality is just super nice, man. Like, it feels very buttery. It's soft, it's buttery. It definitely has, I would say, almost like a premium feel to it, with all these nice colors and nice materials. The shoes come standard with black laces, but you also get some pink laces, and you know what, I'm gonna put them on right now. Bro, I'm not gonna lie, I was ready to trash this because I saw that hyper pink color and I'm just like, pink laces? Why would you put pink laces on this shoe? But somehow, Jordan Brand, you guys killed this colorway, man, especially with these pink laces. Am I tripping, or do these pink laces look absolutely fire on the shoe? Way better than the black laces in my opinion. It just goes so well somehow. Wow, I'm honestly just shocked. I really didn't expect it to look this good. Let me know down in the comments what you guys think of the pink laces versus the black ones. I think the pink is definitely the winner here. I think it would have even looked good with some bright orange laces to match the tongue. But let me know down in the comments, do you guys like the pink or the black ones? Also, if you guys haven't already subscribed to the channel, man, make sure you hit that red button on your bottom right of your screen. You know I'm dropping that content every single week. And I know a lot of you guys watch all my videos, but you haven't been subscribed yet. So make sure you subscribe. Let's get into sizing. Now, I don't usually spend a lot of time talking about Jordan 1 sizing, because to me, all Jordan 1s pretty much fit the same. But that doesn't seem to be the case with this one. And if you guys managed to cop a pair of these, let me know down in the comments if you agree with me, because I kind of feel like the toe box just feels a little bit longer for me. I put these on and I felt like there was just a lot more room than I'm used to normally with Jordan 1s. The sizing from a width perspective is the same, so my sizing recommendation doesn't really change. I would still go true to size, but I am definitely surprised with the room in the toe box. This just, I don't know, it just feels like it's a little bit longer than most Jordan 1s. Let's get into resale. So a colorway like this, let's be honest, it's not for everyone. As dope as this colorway is, there's definitely going to be people who get this pair in hand and then decide to sell them, which is why I think in the short term, we're going to see prices drop a little bit, and I expect them to kind of settle between that $250 to $300 range. But this is not a shoe that I would sell right now. I think with a Jordan 1 with such a unique colorway like this one for me is definitely an easy hold. I would hold onto these for at least 6 months. Of course, it depends on your personal situation. If you could rather use that money right now, you know we have a ton of releases coming up in September. So if you don't want to wait 6 months, it does kind of make sense to sell right now. You are still getting a pretty decent profit. For those of you looking to cop for personal, I think next week is probably your best bet. That's when prices are probably going to be at their lowest once people get their pairs in hand. I don't think prices are gonna drop too much because this is a fall colorway and we are just now going into the fall, so it's just perfect timing on the release as well. I got these from Overkill, which is a boutique sneaker store here in Berlin, and it was my first time winning a raffle there in almost 2 years, so I guess it was my turn. So what do I think? Are these a cop or a drop? Even though I don't really like the midsole on this, like this lime green is just bothering me, I still think that this is a very unique colorway on the Jordan 1, and when you put these pink laces on, takes it to a whole nother level. So I think for me, the colorway is dope, and yeah, these are a cop. But I want to hear from you guys. Let me know down in the comments, what do you think of the Jordan 1 Biohack? And by the way, that name Biohack, I still have no idea what that name means or what its relevance is, because the shoes seem to be inspired by Tokyo, so I don't really know where this Biohack name is coming from. But yeah, man, Jordan 1 Tokyo Biohack. If you haven't already done so, make sure you follow your boy on Instagram. The handle is right here. It is at JDKick6, definitely the easiest place to contact me. September is gonna be big. I'm definitely gonna be dropping a ton of content for you guys, so make sure you're subscribed, even turn your notifications on, hit that bell bottom right. The on-feed portion of the video coming up right now. Thank you guys so much for messing with the channel, and until next time, guys, peace.